such a dull morning. We're going to have to brighten this video up with our personalities.
Good luck to you.
It feels like it's been raining in Edinburgh for weeks, and we've just said enough is enough. We're getting out. We're not just sitting in the flat for another day. So we're going to go and try and find some autumn colours. How will we get on? Join us to find out. We're here at the Hermitage. It's the first time I've been here. There seems to be a lot going on. You've got Ossian's Hall, Ossian's Cave, lots of walks, waterfalls.
It says it's one of the oldest tourist attractions in Scotland.
Cool.
200 years.
So far we're only at the car park and it already looks beautiful. The colours of the trees, there's a lovely river down there. Why have I never been here? For someone who's used to a lot more forests back home, she's got a smile on her face.
I like it as.
It's a well-established trail here, you'll have no problem getting about, but especially if you come in autumn to see all the colours, I would still wear hiking boots because it's very slippery. As always, I'm looking for the shortcut. Wow. We have it all in one scene here. We've got the raging river, the moss on the trees, the autumn colours. It's just stunning. Ossian's Hall. I'm not sure what the history of this place is, but what a view. Where is she going? Look at that!
The challenge is to count them all. It's a Scottish piggy bank.
This one's so creative. But seriously, I'm so glad we came out today. There wasn't much motivation to leave the flat, the way the weather had been. It's raining for days, like I say. But that really helps here. It makes such a difference to that river down there.
Cool.
It's very cool with all the green hanging over the top, isn't it?
Beautiful. The camera.
We're climbing higher and higher now, trying to get some kind of viewpoint out over the forest. At this stage we're well up in the clouds. We were going to go to the viewpoint, which is way up at the top there. I don't think it would have been worthwhile today. Oh, we're going to head back to the bridge and we'll probably jump back in the van and go up towards Killiecrankie before that rain catches up with us.
Oh no. That's my worst enemy.
Ah, that was far too easy. Of course, we don't have a map. One of us thinks we're going the right way, one of us thinks we're going the wrong way.
I've never seen the map though.
Place your bets, folks. Okay, you win. But by default, that is the way. But just because there's a big barrier there, that's not my fault.
I was right.
I'm going to have to listen to this all day now. If you look up smug in the dictionary.
When you're walking next to the mushrooms, you smell them. So that's why you can just follow the smell.
Did you know that Polish people can smell mushrooms?
Wild mushrooms.
Wild mushrooms.
Of course.
Not British mushrooms.
Not British mushrooms. Is that a pigeon or something?
A pigeon! Hi fella.
I can read big tree.
Big tree.
Oh,
Big Tree Country.
Big Tree Country. And then website address.
Our verdict, come to the Hermitage. It's beautiful. I'm not sure we saw the best of autumn because there's no sun or anything today.
It's more realistic, to be fair. I don't think you have many sunny days in Scotland.
Yeah, that's true.
Autumn.
Anything else to say about Scotland? Right, we're there at the Hermitage. We're now going to continue up the A9. This is a really nice map. And we will go to Killiecrankie.
Oh.
We're off to Killiecrankie. Welcome to Killiecrankie. Well, the car park at Killiecrankie anyway. The actual village itself, it's just a few houses I think, but down here at the gorge and where the River Garry is, it's absolutely spectacular, so let's go and have a look. Nice wee visitor centre there, you can get a cup of coffee or something. Wow, that's gorgeous. Once again, blown away by that scenery. There's every single autumn colour there behind me. I'm going to have to get the big camera out. The year is 1689 and it's the Battle of Killiecrankie. I'm Donald McBain, a redcoat soldier, and I'm getting chased by a Jacobite clansman. So to make my escape I have to leap 5.5 metres across the gorge, 18 feet. Did I make it? Or is it just another made up story?
It's real! It's real. There's a picture. It's real, must be real.
Whee!
Whee!
Look at the old railway viaduct here, it looks so small. We've got a little information sign on it. I obviously know nothing, so I'll take you to the sign. This is a beautiful path, but we don't know how far to go because we've never been here before. We don't know if we're missing out on something at the end. So we'll just keep walking.
Who ended up with backpack again?
The backpack's empty.
Yeah.
Look, look. Empty. We've made it to the end of the path on the Garry Bridge, and for some reason I was expecting the River Garry to be raging beneath us. but it's so calm and picturesque. It's beautiful. So 3.5 miles that way, you're in Pitlochry. We're going to head back up to Killiecrankie, jump in the van, find some lunch.
Those baked potatoes.
Baked potatoes would be brilliant.
Ow.
With a wee bit of haggis. We've stopped now at the Falls of Bruar, and behind what can only be described as a massive shopping mall, we have found the falls, but they don't look that impressive so far. So we're going to keep walking and see if we can find some bigger ones. But the forest here is absolutely stunning with its mossy carpet. I can imagine deer just leaping through those trees. Okay, I take it all back, it's gorgeous. I'm crossing the wee stone bridge now that goes over the gorge, and while this might not be the biggest waterfall I've ever seen, it's beautiful.
It's good to be short, huh?
So that's us about all done for today. We've seen all the autumn colours, but it would be a crime if we didn't take you to see the Queen's View. We're trying to go to the Queen's View, but a coach has just arrived. Oh no.
Pick that right?
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely.
Yeah. Perhaps I'm glad the weather's so bad here, doesn't it? Take some beating, isn't it? You know. I mean, there are parts of Europe, you know, which are probably just as good.
Well, that was the Queen's View, a wee bit busy for our liking, but it was really nice to see. It's the first time I've been there. Queen Victoria visited there in 18 something, but it's thought to be named after Queen Isabella, Robert the Bruce's first wife. It was nice to see, but I think that's us for the day. We're going to head home via the Chippy.
Fish and chips.
Say goodbye to the trees.
Goodbye, trees.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.